Make a great choice today with the 2016 XC60. From sidewalks to pathways in the blink of an eye, the XC60 was named a Consumer's Digest Best Buy in the cars, pickups, minivans, SUVs, and hybrids category and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, power moonroof, four-wheel disc brakes, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, driver vanity mirror, power passenger seat, 8 speakers, leather shift knob. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.